Hi, I'm Adam Jennings, Senior Solutions Architect at DoubleCloud. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly set up a cluster, ClickHouse cluster in your environment. So first thing I'll do is I'll sign in. I'll use my Google SSO here to sign in. And right now I already have this cluster live, but I'll go ahead and create a new one just to show you. I could choose ClickHouse. In this case, I'll leave it in Amazon. The other one you saw there was EU Paris, so I'll go ahead and match that. For it's a demo data set, so I'm just going to use a small cluster here just for dev purposes. I don't need to mess with replicas or sharding. And then I'm going to call this my bookings demo, and we'll call this 2 because the other one was already created as 1. I'm going to go ahead and use the latest version. I'm not going to mess with any advanced options today. Just hit submit, and it'll behind the scenes it'll start creating it. And we'll go ahead and check out the live one here, the bookings demo 1. And you can see here, I've got my different connection strings here, or I can even open up the play console so I can actually do some SQL right in my browser. It gives me my username, my password, a little bit of information. And then the different tabs across the top gives me more details about my cluster, including allow list for IP addresses, any of the operations that have been done on this. So you'll see that it was created by Maria, and then I modified it a couple times, and then advanced settings set here. So that's it. Setting up a cluster, a couple clicks, a couple options, and you're off and got your cluster up and going.